Welcome guys to this tutorial today. I just prepared a very nice tutorial which I shall show you how to open or to access the EPUB file or documents which you have downloaded from the internet. But today we shall have a quick presentation or tutorial for doing this kind of task here. Actually it is not a task but it is for you to know. So I shall just pass very quickly. First of all, you have to go to the search engine or the browser which you are using. Then here you can see you can search with Google, or you have to enter the address. So here you can just uh, enter this text here, EPUB file reader, file reader. Sorry guys. So you shall enter this text here, which is EPUB file reader. Then they shall show you the options after you have been taken to the search results. You can see this kind of a URL here, which is epubfilereader.com. Then you shall click it, and it will take you to the download page automatically. Then after that, after you have downloaded, you shall go to the documents where you have your file which you have downloaded. Then you could right click and show in folder. After you have right click here, it will take you to this kind of documents or files which you have downloaded, which is from this directory here download. So the folder. Then this is what we have downloaded. You could right click it and click the open or run as an administrator. Then it could take you to this kind of wizard here. Okay, here you can see what you have downloaded. So here is where you want to install it. For example, you could click next, then you have to accept with the I accept the agreement between you and this EPUB file reader. Okay, after that you can click next, then it will take you to where you want to store, okay, the destination location for this EPUB file reader. So you have to choose your own directory or your own location. So after that you can click next till you have proceeded, and now it will take you to this kind of installing setup. Then after that you are now able to access all the EPUB files through this epubfile.com setup which we have downloaded. Okay, now you have to go to this button here, or the tab which is file tab. Then you have to click open or control all. Then you shall now select what kind of documents which they have this kind of formats. For example, here you can see that there are different kind of files. For example, there are which are in PowerPoint format. You can open them in PowerPoint. Also, those which they have Excel format, mean that you cannot open them using the Excel. Also, those which we are using mostly the web documents. But this kind of EPUB document, you can go to you can right click and go to properties, so as to see the kind of these files which you cannot access them through the PDF file. So here you can see the type of file is EPUB file, and you can see the extension is .epub, meaning that you cannot open this kind of file in the Microsoft Edge, or you cannot open it from PDF reader. So what you're supposed to do is, after you have installed your EPUB file, but you go to change here, then you have to select this EPUB file reader which you have installed now, so as you can have access to open such kind of files or documents. After that, you could now go to this, as I've shown you. You could select any kind of document or book which you want to open it, which is in EPUB file, as you can see here, the file folder. This is type of the file, which is EPUB file. Now you could click open. After you click the open button, it will now take you to the EPUB file, which, for example, this kind of book is by Joel Elston, which is peaceful purpose. Now you can quickly have access to read this book, which was in EPUB file, as we have downloaded the EPUB file and we have installed it in our computers. Thank you guys for watching, and wishing you a very nice tutorial. And then be updated. We shall release some kind of